Om Namaha Shivaya. Here is an extremely rarest tree jodi conch pearl from Indian Ocean. We can see three conch pearl joined naturally. One, two, three. Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva. Three pearl joined naturally. And when it's the back side, you can see beautiful sleeping baby. You can see beautiful sleeping baby. Beautiful sleeping baby. Extremely rarest unique collection of conch pearl from Indian Ocean gives you very good happiness and health in your family life. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Totally unbelievable collection. Totally unbelievable collection. Three conch pearl joined naturally. It is from Indian Ocean Puja conch. Indian Ocean Puja conch. And back side you can see beautiful baby sleeping. See, you can see the head, eye, nose, and hand. Same beautiful baby sleeping. And this pearl is 11 carat in size. 11 carat in size. Extremely unique collection. Om Namah